My classmates come from very different industries, and it's been invaluable. The fact that we have entrepreneurs, that we have leading professionals in finance, in the healthcare industry, in manufacturing, it has quickly helped me understand that real life business problems have very many and great solutions. It's not just one solution or one right answer. And having the ability and the opportunity to connect with them, to grow with them, has allowed me to understand their perspectives, their strategy, their take on challenges and leadership decision-making. And that has influenced me in terms of how I operate as a leader and how I make strategic decisions in my organization. The residency experience turned little people in boxes during our virtual orientation into people that I have grown great relationships with, who I genuinely look forward to collaborating and talking through problems, and who I look forward to in class. And so the residency allowed us to just build the sense of connection and sense of community that then bled into the virtual learning sessions. And there's a real sense of belonging, even though we come from very different backgrounds and very different industries. We're all in this together, and I'm not sure if that would have come across very easily or how quickly that would have come across in a virtual session rather than the residency.